All right, so we're here at the 90, right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop one right here. Okay, so that's in. So far, 90 to 90. I'm gonna go ahead and go straight up right to there, and then 90, and it's gonna start kicking that way. Manual. 30 minutes. It should take like 2 seconds and it should turn on. Click. And it's running. Let's see what's going on. Cool. I will say this is spraying out everywhere, so it needs to be adjusted just a little bit. There we go. Much better. As you can tell, I got bees because these purple Vitex, this tree right here, since I put that thing in there, is blooming. And go off of here, 90 off here, off the main 1/2 inch, and then kick down. And then there's gonna be drip down there also. And then I wanna go across, and I wanna be able to hit these trees. So I want a drip system on everything. I think I can do it too. It just will take some time. And you'll be calling me the drip master here in a little bit. That's what they called me in college. You know, I kind of like organization, and I'm not happy with the organization that I tried to do with my parts for my drip. So here it is. I'm gonna do that cool snapshot thing. Ready? And